Good afternoon, everyone. Beautiful day here again in Brisbane, 27 degrees, just perfect. We've hit our third day in a row with no new cases here in Queensland, so we're feeling incredibly lucky and that the world is going to open up to us at some stage soon, which is an amazing feeling. The government's saying another 3 weeks of the social distancing, so unless something weird happens, we'll be able to get out there and play in the world again. And as we all know, this has been such a strange and unique experience on the planet at the moment that one of the things that's testing up in some of my kinesiology balance is that people don't feel like they're 100% themselves. They're feeling challenged, they're feeling confused, they're feeling fragmented, their survival patterns are up and running. Fear is holding them back from listening to information. Fear is holding them back from not wanting to get into a space where more pain, more punishment, more death, more anger is going to take hold. So I thought we'd do a little meditation on choice and being 100% ourselves. Okay, loosen up, loosen up, loosen up, loosen up. So I'm going to be using mainly the central meridian, which feeds the conscious brain. I'll be using some of the switching points, which helps to integrate the left, right, front, back, top, bottom of the brain. I'll be using some of the switching points, which helps to connect left, right sides of the brain, front, back of the brain. So I'll be doing a few different things throughout. And mostly, just relax. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Okay, nice deep breath. And run your central meridian. Nice deep breath. And out. I am 100% me. I am 100% me. I choose to be me. I take this time on the planet to work out what I want in my life. I choose to take time on this planet to work out what's important to me in my life. I choose to let go of fears from the past. I choose to let go of fears from my past. I choose to be 100% me. I choose to let go of any genetic control holding me back. I choose to let go of any genetic control holding me back. I choose health, happiness, and well-being for my life to come. I choose health, happiness, and well-being for my life to come. I trust the universe, I trust the earth, and I trust myself to make great decisions for my life. I choose happiness, health, and well-being to control my future. I am 100% me. I choose to be 100% me. I choose to release any genetic rage, anger, and survival patterns, keeping me in fear, rage, and anger. I choose to let go of these patterns. And now the hard one. I love myself now and always. Take a deep breath in and out. I love myself now and always. Breathe in and out. I choose to be me. I choose to live my best life. I believe that my choices are for the best of myself, my family, and my world. I trust in the good of everyone around me. I believe that people are essentially good and kind. And shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Have a good day. If you have lost any loved ones, my heart goes out to you every day. I'm trying not to, but I'm watching the news, and we need to release that deep sense of fear. Fear releases cortisol, adrenaline, noradrenaline, that suppresses our immune system. We are safer if we exude love. Love is healing for our immune system. Love is healing for our planet. Have a good one.